Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on the Hailey Bieber Peaches Challenge that you might have seen going around TikTok and Instagram. It's a gorgeous peach look that I think is perfect for summertime. So I'm going to be recreating it today using products that I think that will work really well. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Start off, I'm using the But First base in shade Rose. This is a gorgeous like pink toned dewy like illuminator for underneath your foundation. It's great for dry skin. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint. This is a tinted moisturizer and it gives super light coverage, but it's really dewy and fresh. It's a great replacement for your foundation in summertime, especially if you have dry skin. Next, I'm using the Complete Contour Palette and I'm using shade number 2. And I'm going to take the flat side of the sponge and I'm just going to tap this product into place using very little product. I'm using tapping motions so I don't disrupt the tinted moisturizer that I put underneath. You don't want to move it around or anything. I'm just adding a little bit more definition. I'm also adding a little bit of the blush as well on the palette just to add a little bit more definition and a bit of color to my face. And I'm just setting these in place with a tiny bit of powder. The reason why I'm using creams is because they're more natural and fresh on the skin, but if you want to make sure that they don't slip and slide, you just want to set them in place with a bit of powder. So I'm using a light dusting of the contour, the blush and the highlight from the Luna by Lisa palette just to set all the creams in place. And then I'm using the Morphe setting spray, which is beautiful. It's very lightweight and fresh on the skin just to seal everything in place. For the lips, I just chose like a pinky nude lipstick and a shimmery nude gloss, again to bring out those peachy pink tones that Hailey Bieber was wearing in her video. Moving on to the eyes, I took a blending brush and a little bit of the Catrice Camouflage Concealer and I just pressed this into the skin as a base for the eyeshadow so they don't crease. Then I took the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. I'm only taking 2 eyeshadows from this palette, Meadow and Garden Date. And I'm just taking Meadow and just blending it across the crease and also tapping it onto the lid. And then taking the shimmery shade, which is Garden Date, and just popping this all over the lid. Hailey does have a bit of a wing, so I just took the darkest shade in the palette with an angle brush and I just pressed it into the outer corner of the eye to create a wing using the shadow, which is a really nice natural way to create a wing in summer and literally doesn't budge. And then this of course is optional, but I just had to add some of my lashes. I used the Grania lashes, cut them in half like I showed you in my last video, and just use them as outer corner lashes, so they're still very natural and lightweight. Doesn't look like I'm wearing anything, but it just ties the whole look together. I love it. So this is it. This is the finished look. This is my version of the Hailey Bieber Peaches Challenge. I noticed a lot of people weren't showing what products they were using, so I hope you enjoyed this, picked up some tips. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I hope I get to see you in my next one. Bye!